Yo, what up? It's currently July 4th, 2016, and it's like 7:30 in the morning. I haven't woken up this early since school ended, so I'm tired. I just finished throwing a lot of trash from my garage, so are my eyes this lazy, or my garage is kind of a mess? Whatever.
I'm throwing it.
Oh, hello.
I don't.
Finally finished the parade. I just got back from the parade and just finished dropping off my girlfriend, so I'm home now. Probably gonna crash. Yeah. So I just woke up from my nap. But anyways, pretty much I just want to like start this off because I've never vlogged before, and honestly this is very, very, very odd to me. So in public or even in front of my family, it's just like I try to like show it as least as I can. I hope you guys are having an absolutely amazing 4th of July. Well, if you celebrate it. Yo, I'm leaving now, going to my girlfriend's house, and then from her house we're gonna go to her family's friend. So I'll see you guys there. So we're here with my girlfriend's family.
I'm the family.
It's part of it. Sunset.
4th of July, having fun, lighting some, nothing right now, but soon we'll be lighting some fireworks.
Let's go find a pretty view of that sunset there. I've just arrived at Mikasa. It is currently 11:36 at night, and you know, it's been an alright 4th of July. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah. This is my first time vlogging, so I'm pretty sure it's weird. I'm sorry if my voice sounds weird right now too. Yeah. My bad. But yeah guys, I hope you guys did enjoy. It's been a fun day. It's been 4th of July. But yeah, if you guys did enjoy the vlog, leave a like, leave a comment, and if you didn't, leave a dislike and leave a hate comment. But yeah, that's pretty much it guys. I'll talk to you guys later. See ya.